One thing y'all gotta remember is some of them people y'all be arguing with in the comment sections, they was in the portables. They just grown now. They was in them portable classes. The ones at the behind the school. You gotta go in the back. And you didn't see them all day. You only saw them if they, you know what I'm saying, at gym. They was in the portables. So you arguing with them. Remember that. Remember, you arguing with them kids that was in the portables. I want that to sit in. I'm not making fun of nobody. I'm just telling it like it is. I'm just saying it's just the truth. They was in the portable. They was in the back. They didn't have, y'all was in the same grade. You only saw them when they graduated and when they walked the stage, and you was like, damn, where you was at during the whole year? One class. They was in the portables. On the other, on the back.